Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here are 5 reasons why you may not want to buy an Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Number 1. The Giulia Quadrifoglio has very quick steering. If you are used to sports cars with a little more response, this is for you. But if you want a more relaxed drive, you might find the steering a little twitchy and a little hard to get used to. So it may not be for you. Number 2, the fuel efficiency suffers a lot in the city due to its weight. You might see 15 miles to the gallon or less, especially if you're a little happy on the gas. But with cylinder deactivation, you should see much better fuel efficiency on the highway. Number 3, if you don't like attention, don't get this car. Because it's unique and uncommon, I get stopped all the time at grocery stores or at the gas station. I don't mind it, but if you don't like it, don't buy one. Number 4, although most of the service costs are comparable to other luxury brands, there is one maintenance item that costs an unreal amount of money. Because the serpentine belt is located behind the air-to-water intercoolers, the radiators, and of course the front bumper, all of those need to be removed in order to access it. This can result in a $3,000 bill from the dealership. And finally, number 5, the final reason why you shouldn't buy an Alfa Romeo is because the dealer network is not up to par compared to the other luxury brands. I've probably had more unsatisfactory experiences with the Alfa Romeo dealership compared to, say, BMW and Audi. And also, there aren't that many dealerships to choose from. Of course, you're probably better off going to an independent shop or trying doing the service yourself. You know, despite all those reasons, this is still one of the best cars I've ever owned. And if you want a unique driving experience, where the driving is the main event of the car, I still think this is going to be worth your time. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and enjoy a little more driving on me. I'll see you in the next one.